Alphabetology. Here we will talk about different science topics in alphabetical order while also giving instructions for an experiment relating to the topic. But that's later, so stay tuned. It's the first episode. After about 2 weeks of planning, we've made it. Joining us in the lab today is fellow science friend Diana.
Hi!
Anyway, today's topic is asteroids.
We're gonna rock your world with this episode. What even is an asteroid, though?
Asteroids are kind of like mini-planets. They're small rocky objects that orbit the sun. Asteroids are mainly in the asteroid belt, which is found in between Mars and Jupiter, but some are in other places, like planets' orbits.
Okay, but where do asteroids come from?
Asteroids are left over from the formation of our solar system. Let's put it this way. A long, long time ago, when a big cloud of gas and dust went kaboom, the universe was formed. Most of the material came together and formed the sun, while other pieces formed planets. But asteroids are left over from the creation of our wondrous solar system. They're leftovers, like that old sandwich you never ate, sitting in the back of your closet.
Yeah, that makes sense. Should probably find that sandwich soon. Okay, so we know they were formed after the Big Bang, but what are they made of exactly?
Asteroids are made mostly of rock with small amounts of clay, silicate, iron, nickel, and other metals. Some precious metals like platinum and gold have also been found in asteroids.
Wow, that rocks. So, if most asteroids are composed of these materials, are all asteroids the same?
It may seem that way, but no. Asteroids are formed in different areas of the universe at different distances from the sun and other celestial bodies. This greatly impacts the amount of each material and compositions, so all asteroids are unique and different, just like us.
Okay, I have one last question. Don't asteroids hit the Earth sometimes or something like that?
Great question. I was hoping you would ask that. How it goes is that little rocks and particles hurtle towards the Earth every day, but they burn up in the atmosphere before reaching the Earth's surface. But about once a year, an asteroid the size of a car comes towards the Earth's surface. Usually it will burn up in the atmosphere like all the others, but sometimes a little bit of the asteroid makes it through and usually falls into the ocean or very remote areas where humans don't even find them. Most of the famous asteroid impacts happened a really long time ago. The asteroid was 6 miles wide and hurtled towards the Earth, creating a giant impact that scientists think killed off the dinosaurs. And that leads me to our experiment.
Ooh, I love experiments. Tell me more.
Okay, so for today's experiment, we will be creating our very own asteroid impact. To make this asteroid impact, you will need a cookie sheet or baking pan, flour, cocoa powder, a sifter, small round objects like bouncy balls, marbles, or nuts and seeds.
Okay, I've gathered all of the things.
Great. First, you will want to cover your workspace with newspaper because this can get messy. Next, add a 2 to 3 centimeter layer of flour into your baking dish or cookie sheet. Next, gently sift cocoa powder on top until you can no longer see the flour. Here, we have replicated the Earth's surface, with the cocoa powder being like the first layer of dirt, and the flour being like the layers beneath the dirt. Now, grab your bouncy balls or other round objects and hold them up about 3 feet above your baking dish or cookie sheet. These balls will act as our asteroids. Before you drop them into your cocoa powder and flour, though, Diana, do you have a hypothesis?
Yeah, I think that once the asteroid hits the cookie sheet, it'll create a hole in the layer and we'll be able to see the flour underneath.
Okay, great hypothesis. How about you try it out and see what happens?
Oh, cool! It was kind of like a tiny explosion. It made a crater in the flour and some of the flour got on the top layer.
Yes, and you can keep trying to use different kinds of objects from different distances to see what kind of asteroid impacts you can make.
That really rocks.
Nice one.
Anyway, thanks for having me. This was super fun, and the information definitely made an impact on me.
Wow. Okay, so thanks for joining me for the first episode, Diana. Until next time, asteroid aficionados, we'll see you next time in the Alphabetology lab. Bye!
Bye.